The wrestle treat is barren like tundra. Few celebrate their victory, much like army after heavy losses. Are they modest and humble? Hard to believe. My clan stands at number 5 but is proud for our immense effort against overwhelming odds. If we were given a day or two of time, maybe we'd stand as number 1 again. But that is a thing of the past. What is the future of this community? I see our community in ashes. Where is that blazing inferno of discussion from Martialis? Even syndicate bickering over Red Veil died down within a day. I remember old events. There was a lot of tension, competitiveness. Where did it go this event? Why didn't our veterans return to carry us to glorious victory? Where did Ox strength of Warbros go? Was weight too heavy to carry? What happened to Varishi? Where did we go so wrong? Players keep telling me, no, this game is as lively as ever, livelier every day. Yet I find it hard to believe. We aren't going places. Why? Let's take a look at recent content. Archwing has received few weapons since release. Enemies still unsatisfying to shoot. Especially shameless rehash of Corpus Ranger and Osprey. Abilities cost too much, mods are ineffective. You feel like you entered new game which you would rather not play at all. For Bat/Piggy Fails dogs, only cosmetics were added. Where is the Stasis speed up item you promised us, Steve? Where is dog armor? Where are new mods? Why not make dogs like Tovarish Dog from Persona 3 using dagger or kunai weapon, adding a few more mods and some customization possibilities? Maybe they can channel user ability. Frost Dog could breed Freeze Ray, Loki spawn Doge Decoy, Valkyrs turn into High Armor Kitty. Would it not be great? Next, Dark Sectors. PvP has been fixed, sure, but why bother with them? These conflicts bring nothing interesting to the table. Talking about PvP, why not make 2 daily tournaments to get prizes like cosmetics and rare mods for the sake of competition? Yet then you'd have to fix conclave rating, which is odd and disproportional at times. And that leads us to our mod system, which is lacking. Why is deep polarity so useless on weapons? Why not change a few polarities around? Why not buff pistol cold mode and melee cold mode? Furthermore, stealth. No comment needed here. Park hour hasn't changed much since melee 2 and air melee. Tactical alerts. This game is designed to grind for weapons, and this gimmick is designed to not use weapons you grinded for. I personally like it, but it is giving me mixed messages. Clan Dojo has yet to improve much from inception. Hubs have come as a replacement, but at least they're looking like good social factor in otherwise 4-man game. And related to my Soma Prime video, why not use my GUMS model once it is finished to rank weapons in tiers and appropriately buff them so they aren't horrible, like Spectra and personal favorite, the Gorgon. Things look bleak, but there is hope. We can change. We can make Warframe great. Together. Chorba reporting out. She's a lady. Oh, 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 she's a lady.